This motivational video has received over 6 million views in 1 year. Today, I will take you on an exciting journey as I attempt to start a similar YouTube channel using few of the best AI tools. These tools will automate every steps of your creative process, from writing scripts to creating thumbnails and voiceovers. This brilliant idea came to me while searching for ways to automate YouTube channels. I stumbled upon a channel featuring motivational videos and getting a lot of views. This inspired me to explore further, and I even researched the channel's daily and yearly income, which you can see on the screen. After completing the research, it's time to validate the idea, because it's always preferable to verify your idea before taking any actions or investing your precious time. Now you can talk to a YouTube expert or someone who has real experience in this field. If you know anybody who has years of experience in this field, that's great. You can seek for their help. But discussing with any expert will cost you a lot of money, and you can only get their help for a limited time. Now imagine if you could get help from someone whenever you need them. That would be great, wouldn't it? So I discussed with an AI YouTube expert provided by Suvo AI. These AI chatbots are trained to be experts in their specific fields, and they provide as much value as you can get by discussing with any human expert, sometimes even more in my opinion. So I asked Jimmy whether starting a motivational YouTube channel would be a good idea or not. Within a few seconds, he replied with a detailed answer. According to him, creating a faceless motivational YouTube channel can be a good idea. He also provided me with an outline and advice. Now that we have received the answer, we can confidently move forward with our idea, knowing that we are heading to the right direction with the peace of mind. Then I asked him to suggest some channel names, and within no time I received some amazing suggestions. Now I am actually torn between a few names. Above and Beyond sounds wonderful, and The Unseen Influencer or Unmasking Inspiration also sound nice. Additionally, the Limitless life is truly amazing. I would appreciate if you comment below and let me know which one would you prefer as a motivational channel name. After a careful consideration, now I am conflicted between Above and Beyond and the Limitless life. Both of them are amazing. I must admit that if I had to come up with a name on my own, it would not have been as nice, and it would have taken a lot of time. However, since I can only choose one name, I have decided to go with the Limitless life. I used Lexica, an open source AI image generator, for our profile picture. Take a moment to search for an image you would like. Creating the cover photo was a breeze. I simply used the profile picture in Canva to create the banner. Now that we have completed our branding, the real challenge lies in creating videos. To begin, we could focus on targeting a specific group of people. Personally, I am looking to reach out to the individuals who are seeking motivation in 2023. To add a professional touch in my video script, I use the assistance of the Faceless YouTube content writer. This model is specially trained for faceless videos, as you can see. I specifically asked for Buddha-like motivational story that would inspire someone seeking motivation in 2023. And look at this, guys. Within a few minutes, we have received this amazing motivational short story. You can also convert it into a frictional story or make any changes if you would like. You can also download it as PDF or TXT file, or simply copy the text from here and paste it into any text editor. We will simply copy the text and paste it into SpeakTTS, the best AI text-to-speech generator for YouTube videos. Just select your desired voice and synthesize the text to create amazing human-sounding voiceover. Finally, click on download button to save it onto your device. Once you have successfully downloaded the audio, visit to canva.com and go to video section. Click on the video option and proceed to upload your audio file. Next, search for the scenes that align with your audio content to enhance the storytelling experience. Make the video unique by selecting visuals that complement the narrations. You can also use Lexica to create amazing visuals that fits with the story. If you are unfamiliar with editing videos in Canva for free, leave a comment below and I will gladly guide you through the process. If I receive more than 500 comments, I will even create a dedicated video on this topic. Once you have finalized the scenes, simply click on the download button to obtain your completed video.
Once upon a time, in a small village in India, there lived a young boy who was always surrounded by negative thoughts. He had a pessimistic outlook on life and constantly doubted his own abilities. His name was Rohit.
Alright, it sounds like we are making progress. Now, to create a thumbnail for your video, you can use Lexica AI to generate images. Once you have generated the image, follow these steps in Canva. Click on YouTube thumbnail in Canva. Upload the image you generated from Lexica AI. Add text or other elements to make the thumbnail stand out. Take your time to create a visually appealing thumbnail. Once you have satisfied with the design, click on the share and download the thumbnail from Canva. This way, you will have a customized thumbnail for your video. Now, to upload the video, we need a title and description. To assist with that, I will again use Suvo AI as it's tailor-made for YouTube content creation. And boom! With the help of AI, everything is done seamlessly. To celebrate our journey so far, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Now go to your channel, click on upload, paste the title and description generated by Suvo AI, upload the thumbnail and publish the video. Congratulations! Your motivational YouTube channel is now ready thanks to the power of AI. Now all you have to do is to just repeat the same process regularly and wait for one of your videos to go viral. Once that happens, you can easily start earning $1,500 to $2,500 per month, and it will just eventually increase with the time. The more content you will make, more the earnings will be. These AI tools usually provide free credits to try out, which are enough to create a single video. However, if you truly want to level up your game, I recommend opting for paid versions. It will allow you to create unlimited videos. Just imagine, by investing a few bucks, you can potentially earn thousands of dollars. That's how a successful business often starts. To achieve something, you often need to invest something. Now, if you want to start earning money on YouTube even before reaching the monetization thresholds, I have a video published on my channel, Make Money on YouTube Before Monetization. Be sure to check it out and consider subscribing my channel for more in-depth videos like this. Thank you for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.